bring in now from the CME, Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, paint the picture for us this morning. You walk in and, circuit breakers getting triggered all over the place. What is the dialogue down there right now?
I'll be completely honest with you. It is actually very calm. Okay, it's a frenetic pace, but it's calm. So traders are taking this in stride. I think what we saw at the end of last week, from what I saw personally on the trading floors, was many trading firms shoring up positions. That's one of the reasons that we saw volatility spike in the last hour of trade and then sell off a little bit. So today the trade is very calm. It's active, it's frenetic, and it's calm.
What are risk officers telling the traders right now, do you think, Scott?
You know what? The traders don't really know. I mean, everybody's got their own opinion right now, but any analyst, any expert you talk to, we don't know if we're going to see $25 a barrel oil or if we're going to go back to $40 a barrel if Russia and OPEC, get back to some semblance of an agreement soon here. So the volatility is what is driving the market right now, the unknown really of what's going to happen, because what we've seen here is we've blown through any sort of support levels that we've seen, any of that range that we've seen over the last, even 12 to 18 months. So we're really in uncharted territory here where anything can happen.
Scott, a bit of a bloodbath for some people, I imagine. Are you hearing any stories?
I did hear a few at the end of last week, especially some firms that had to cover their risk towards the end of the week. It hasn't been pretty, but, by the same token, for just as many firms or trading companies that you hear out there that maybe, really took it hard, there's probably some there that profited really, really heavily from this move.
Exactly. Two sides to every trade. Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy, thank you for joining us this morning from the CME.